What makes Nintendo Switch large game re-downloads slow? Imagine sitting down after a long day, eager to jump into a new adventure on your Nintendo Switch, only to find that the download is crawling at a snail's pace. Frustrating, isn't it? Several factors can influence the speed at which large game files are re-downloaded on the console. Understanding these elements can help you optimize your experience and reduce wait times. First, the size of the game itself plays a significant role. Modern Nintendo Switch titles can range from several gigabytes to over 20 gigabytes. Larger files naturally take longer to transfer, especially if your internet connection has limited bandwidth. When re-downloading a game, the console must transfer all the data from Nintendo's servers back to your device, which can be a lengthy process if the file is substantial. Second, the speed and stability of your internet connection are crucial. The Nintendo Switch relies on your home Wi-Fi network for downloads. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak or unstable, data packets may be lost or delayed, causing the download to slow down. Using a wired Ethernet connection or moving closer to your Wi-Fi router can improve transfer speeds. Additionally, the bandwidth available to your network impacts how quickly data can be received. Multiple devices streaming videos or downloading files simultaneously can reduce the bandwidth available for your Nintendo Switch, resulting in slower downloads. Third, the Nintendo Switch's internal hardware and software can influence download performance. The console's built-in Wi-Fi module has specific capabilities, and older or less capable hardware may not handle high-speed data transfers as efficiently. Furthermore, background processes such as system updates or other downloads can compete for bandwidth, slowing down the re-download process. Another factor to consider is Nintendo's server load. During peak hours or popular game releases, servers may experience high traffic, which can cause congestion and slower download speeds. Patience during these times can sometimes lead to better transfer rates. Finally, the storage medium on the Nintendo Switch can impact download speed. The console uses internal storage or microSD cards, and the speed of these storage options varies. A slower microSD card can bottleneck data transfer, especially during large downloads. Using a high-speed microSD card can help improve overall download performance. In summary, the size of the game, internet connection quality, network congestion, hardware capabilities, and storage speed all contribute to how quickly large game re-downloads occur on the Nintendo Switch. Being aware of these factors allows you to take steps to optimize your setup and enjoy your gaming experience with minimal delays.